Hi, I'm going to talk about an important topic. The Stephen Covey is written the 7 habits of high effective people. I'm going to talk about the third habit. If you not visited the first and the second habit, please visit. And the third habit is put first thing first. We want to give a priority to the important thing first. We are the we are all are having a same 24 hours. You and me having same 24 hours and inspiring people in the world also, like or movie stars, Hollywood stars, Bollywood stars, and business person, sports person, celebrities, and mm, inspiring people having a same 24 hours. How we are spending our uh, hours in wisely is depends on the growth. 8 hour we spent 8 hours for sleeping and 4 hours for eating, brushing, bathing, traveling house to office, office to house. Spent 4 hours for these things and 8 plus 4 12 hours gone. We having remaining 24 12 hours. How we are spending, how we wisely spending this remaining 24 hours is depends on our growth on finance success. Some people having a goal of buying a new car or a new house. It is a financial stability. Some people, the second success will be physic physical health. Some people and most of them want to become a fit and have a healthy life. To need a food of healthy food and the type 3 is relationship, healthy relationship, spending a life with families and friends. Attachment is needed and the last one is skill development, acquiring new language. But better, English is a universal language to communicate all the type of people and like coding, because it is a future to develop, and car driving and finance and marketing strategy. And when we widen our knowledge, lead through our self satisfaction, which it is most important. If no one is appreciated also, we have a satisfaction leads to our good success and growth. And you can ask how to become a successful person. The answer is a square box. It is giving an answer for this success. And welcome to our channel, Independent CJ. What to do for the success? This square table will be clarifying your doubts. With this table called time mathematics, we should split 4 parts, 4 quadrants. This is important, this is not important row, and this column is urgent, this column is not urgent. And I am going to talk about not important, not urgent. That means we want to eliminate from this life. We are not in the entertainment industry, so that we should not. If you have an interest in entertainment industry to go and act in the cine field, it is not for you this side. Like YouTube channels, watching YouTube channels like Pan Show or any entertainment industry side. If you are watching, this is waste. Uh, like if you are in the want to make a industry, you want to become an actor or any actress, you should not follow this rule. You want to not waste your time in education or any waste of time. This is for who are spending wastely, like YouTube, Facebook, for likes and comments. We are wasting more times in the Facebook and WhatsApp, and new added PUBG and Free Fire or so on. These are for this we are spending 3 to 4 hours for this also only, so that we out of 12 we spent 4 hours for this only. Entertainment industry is not created because if we have a stress for having a work of 7 to 8 hours for relaxation, the entertainment industry is progressed today created, not for daily use, for lifetime, for 3 to 4 hours. And necessary thing is this column this row, not important, not urgent and not important. That is irrelevant topics, irrelevant meetings attending or distracting activity. That means going for compulsion, we going to any parties or any family functions. Consider your favorite person is asking for giving offer, so that we have a compulsion to do this, so that we should brave enough to say no if it is not relevant to our opinion. And some people will be put a status for daily and post daily selfie with any foods, etc., posting daily. It is also a distracting thing to this our success, and that distraction should be delegate from our life. Important thing is important, urgent, because we are urgently doing this work. That means we have a time deadline is short due to procrastination. That means consider you are doing any task for we have a huge number of time, so that we don't do this work. We spend more time of in the relaxation period, so that we reduce the time, and when we have a less time deadline, so that we start our work. Due to this work, we are not doing a proper output will be not it is less in this process, so that it is important and urgent, and it is make a interpersonal relationship will be damaged in this work. That means between the boss and clerk, or teacher and a student will be interpersonal relationship will be damaged, and other workers work also will be damaged due to this urgent work. That's for this important and urgent. The last current important row and urgent not urgent column. That person, all the most of a person will be not doing this column. That is any activity work, creative thinking, and reactive and relationship building. These are not doing most of it people. Like the examples are gym, books, reading books, using TEDx talks, and self-development videos. Most of them not doing these works. Why this is important, not urgent? Because we should motivate ourselves, because all the people not tell you want to go gym or read any books, like any books, and use the self development videos, see the development videos. People do not say. We should motivate ourselves. And Stephen Hawking also saying this. We should always do this important and not urgent column only. We should not do any of these works. We should do only the important and not urgent work only. But the disadvantage of this work is it is a long term development and process, so that we should wait for the long time procession. From this video we'll be understanding that we should not use irrelevant topic to our success, and irrelevant meetings or any distraction will be should be avoided, and we should not procrastination. It is include our success. These are the effects of this disturbance of this success, and we should only do the irrelevant to our success, do our success, and we should get motivated, and we want to get motivated. And thank you for watching. Thank you.